Welcome to a brand new vlog of Bonkers Note. In this episode, we'll be exploring the quaint town in Vietnam, Ninh Binh. This is also known as the Halong Bay on land. So stay tuned, and if you love this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Bonkers Note.
Good morning. We are staying at the Mua Caves Eco Lodge. We came here yesterday. We had a fantastic night. We had dinner. Walking through the lanterns was very beautiful.
The nice, beautiful morning. We are all set and very charged up to explore Ninh Binh.
Yes, we came here yesterday and basically did nothing. Took the day off. We relaxed a bit, and now we are off to breakfast. Hopefully, we'll rent a scooter after that and explore Ninh Binh.
They have a nice spread in breakfast and it's a buffet one. We took our share, had a lot of it with some coffee, yogurt, pancakes, bread, noodles. It was
It was nice. I would like to mention one thing. If you are vegetarian, then the options would be limited.
Yeah.
So keep that in mind. Okay. Yeah.
We have hopped onto a bike and now we are going to do the boat ride on Trang An.
After a short ride of about 4.5 kilometers, we are here in the parking of Tranang. Now let's go ahead and get the tickets. We have heard that there are 3 routes. We have to decide which one to go for. Okay, 4 people, one boat. You have to wait for 2 more people.
Okay. So we went through an underground tunnel down to the way where the boat starts. A little worried. All of the crowds are saying they are 3 hours. And we don't have time on the side.
We are right now on the Trang An Boat Ride. We chose route 3. I think the first one is the longest one, which covers many caves and pagodas. Route 2 has 4 caves and 4 pagodas, and the route 3 has 3 caves and 3 pagodas with a view of the King Kong Island where the actual movie was shot. So that is why we opted for this one. The boat ride is costing us 250 PND for each person. It takes about 4 persons in one boat, so we had to wait a bit other persons to accompany you. Otherwise, you can also hire the entire boat.
And as we are early in the morning, it's a very pleasant experience right now. We see others also joining us. The tourists do come here a little early to avoid the rush, I believe. So here we are at the first stop. It's a pagoda called Te Su Ting Den. Hope I'm pronouncing that correct. Right in the middle of the Trang An boat ride. And this place has a real vibe to it with all the incense going on, the prayers, the tourists praying. This is a very nice experience.
After sailing for some time, we are now ready to enter the Dot Cave. It is 1000 meters long and the longest cave in this Trang An trail.
We are lying low out of fear. I'm not sure if we'll hit. Oh, that was tight.
There were lights all over the caves, otherwise it would have been pretty dark in here.
Oh, look, there is a bat.
Yes,
Yeah, there again. After we banged our heads more than a couple of times in Meghalaya, we are a little cautious with caves now, especially
yes,
Urvi.
that was really bad. Some parts of the tunnel are pretty low, so I would suggest mind your head. This is pretty fascinating with light peeping it at some times. Otherwise, it's pretty dark. Some water droplets trickling down the rocks, and we are sailing through it. Something really unique.
This looks a little scary, a little spooky, but beautiful at the same time.
I guess we are almost out of it.
Looked scary in the beginning, but it was a fun ride. We got this map along with our tickets. We'll be now going into the second cave,
This one looks a little bit wider.
and I think this is a shorter cave in length.
Yes, the last one was the longest cave in this ride.
Out of the caves, now we are at another temple complex. Bentho Tang Kue Mi looks very beautiful there, stopping here for a few minutes.
We are walking through the garden area of this temple, which is quite peaceful and tranquil. There is a lot of trees covering this place, and I can even spot a small bridge ahead.
People are taking pictures along those limestone mountains. These are really grand. We are back on the boat, and well, we are moving through the waters of Trang. It's absolutely gorgeous everywhere with these limestone formations rising through the water. I don't have words to explain them.
This is the place where I guess the King Kong movie was shot. I'm not sure of the exact location, but I think that is the place right beside us. We are entering our last cave for the day.
So we just came out of the caves into the vastness, the grandness of Tranang. Yeah, and these limestone caves are really beautiful, and this place is very peaceful. We already did one pagoda and two caves. Among it, one was the longest cave that you can find in Trangan, 100 meters long, very low. We have to lay low for that, but it's worth the experience. We are at the last stop for our trip. Yeah, and you cannot film inside the pagodas because those are worship places. But what we love the most about this pagodas are the setting. Yeah. Behind it is the huge limestone cave. In front of it is the water. It's so pretty. And those oriental architecture, they provide a great contrast to the limestone caves. Right. Just came off the boat, and that was a very peaceful joyride that we had. Now probably we'll explore more of Ninh Binh. We want to go to the ancient town. Let's go. So we are right now at Hua Lu, ancient capital of Vietnam. We have just parked our scooter outside for 10,000 dong, and now we'll go in explore this place. So we are in the complex.
Yeah, and the ticket was for 20,000 dong each. Now we are heading towards the pagoda. I am not sure what it is inside.
Yeah.
Let's go and explore together.
Yeah, what I see is that there are small structures and there is a central courtyard
Yeah,
with one pagoda kind of structure in it.
it's very vast.
Yeah, it is separated from the main road or the highway. I don't know what they call it, by a moat. There are trees, flags, people, birds,
Yeah.
just trying to give you the feel of the ambience.
As this complex is very huge, so it's not that crowded.
Yes. And just remember the ticket counter is on the opposite side of the complex. So if you are like us, come to the main gate, understand, figure it out from where the ticket counter is, and then you can go back and take your tickets.
As this is a huge complex, there are many temples in here. If you have time in hand, you can peacefully walk around in this complex with many gardens and visit each one of the temples. They all have a significance to it.
We had a pretty great time exploring Ninh Binh. Hope you liked this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Bonkers More. And we'll see you in the next one.